What is up, everybody? This is Rico. Today I am giving away my secret micro tea recipe. So I know I overdo things. I do things too much. So beware. I don't recommend following this recipe, but I wanted to show you my secret recipe for success. So here I've got some worm castings. This is from Mother Earth. So worm castings, that's ingredient 1. Here on the left we've got Orca. That's ingredient 2. Orca has 11 bacteria strains, 4 mycorrhizal species. It promotes root growth, better nutrient uptake. Right next to it is king crab. 275 million organisms per milliliter. I'm going to give about 5 milliliters in this tea. Do the math on that. Enhance absorption of phosphorus and micronutrients. And then next to it is the Microbe Life Nourish. Nourish-L. And that's humic acids. I'll keep that simple. Next to it is the Photosynthesis Plus. And I love that product. It smells amazing. I actually have another bottle besides that one that's just waiting. So Microbe Life Photosynthesis Plus. It has basically peat extract, rare earth humic acids, spore forming microorganisms. This is on the basically helps iron, nitrogen, and other nutrients more bioavailable. Here is let's go down to the Recharge. Absolutely love Recharge, Grower's Choice. In the yellow packet. Love Recharge. That has, man, love you, Scotty. Soil microbes, mega pack, mycorrhiza, kelp, humic, fulvic, molasses. That's the bomb shit right there. And then just to the right of it is Hybrix molasses in the Dawn dish soap container. Here I've got some Terp Tea Bloom. The Terp Tea has, this is the food: bat guano, fishbone meal, crab meal, kelp meal, seabird guano, feather meal, langbonite, kaiserite, phosphate rock, sulfate of potash, dolomite, beneficial bacteria, mycorrhizal. So I'm adding a little bit of the Terp Tea Bloom. The bat guano, I'll be adding a little bit. That's readily available nitrogen, phosphorus, micronutrients. And the alfalfa meal, I think, is real important. Alfalfa meal, potash, trace minerals, amino acids, natural plant hormones, probably mispronouncing tricontinol. It's basically in promoting root growth. It's a soil conditioner, giving organic matter for the soil, carbs, protein, and that is the that's the list of items for the tea. So here I have an oxygen concentrator, and this concentrator goes up to 10 liters. That liter flow ball's moving up to about 6, almost 7. So I've got the oxygen tube running and the bucket bubbling. So I'm going to add the worm castings, and then I will add 5 milliliters of Orca, 5 milliliters of king crab, probably 3 milliliters of the Nourish, 5 milliliters of the Photosynthesis Plus. I'll put in probably a teaspoon or maybe 2 of the Recharge. Alfalfa meal, I will put in probably half a cup, maybe a little less. And then the bat guano, I'll put in like a quarter cup or a little less. The Terp Tea Bloom, I will put in probably 3 tablespoons, maybe a little less. And that will bubble for 12 hours with oxygen that's 95% purity. So that's my recipe, y'all. Rico signing out. Much love. Comment. Matilda wants you to like and subscribe. Huh, Matilda? Peace, y'all. See you on the next one.